Hey, hi, I'm Deep. Thinking about hiring a virtual assistant, but still have questions? Yes, you are in the right place.
Let's answer the 5 questions we hear most from the business owners. Hey, hi Sudipa, how are you?
Hey, hi Deep. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine also.
Many business owners ask that do they really need a virtual assistant or can they manage everything themselves?
Okay, that's a great question. In the beginning, many business owners manage everything in their own. But as business grows, so do the daily tasks. So a virtual assistant takes care of things like emails, schedule, research, or follow-ups, so the business owners can focus in their business roles.
Here is another question: is hiring a virtual assistant actually cost effective?
Yes, since businesses only pay for the support they want, it can be much more affordable as there are no costs for office space or payroll benefits.
Many business owners ask that what kind of work can a virtual assistant handle?
Actually, quite a lot. A virtual assistant can help in emails, customer support, travel bookings, lead generation, manage social media, and many other day-to-day tasks based on the business needs.
One concern we hear frequently is how can business owners trust someone who's working remotely?
Trust comes from choosing the right virtual assistant, having a clear process, and maintaining a good communication. Businesses around the world successfully work with a remote team every day.
And finally, many people ask that does the virtual assistants replace the business owners or they simply help them focus on their work?
Exactly. A virtual assistant handles the daily routine task, giving them more time so that they can focus on their customers, strategy, and the business growth.
If you have more questions about hiring a virtual assistant, please feel free to reach out to our website, vatalks.com.
We will be happy to help.